The dehumanization of biology. R3Bio's Bodyoid initiative. The proposals by R3Bio and John Schlondorn to engineer brainless human clones represent a severe regression in bioethics. By intentionally creating human life stripped of the original signal, the brain, they seek to categorize human beings as mere organ sacs or industrial components. The ethical violation. This initiative is a flagrant challenge to the 2005 UN Declaration on Human Cloning, which prohibits all forms of cloning that undermine human dignity. Critics argue that bodyoids create a subscription to survival, where the wealthy can commodify their own genetic lineage as a warehouse for replacement parts. The moral crisis. Engineering a creature that is biologically human but neurologically void is seen by many as a total revocation of the sanctity of life, reducing the human vessel to a proprietary hardware upgrade for the elite. The violation of the soul. Cognify's synthetic incarceration. The Cognify concept, proposed by Hashem Al-Ghaili, suggests a dystopian shift in the penal system where physical time is replaced by synthetic memory implants. State-mandated remorse. This system would use neural implants to force decades of artificial guilt into a brain in mere minutes. This is not rehabilitation. It is the orchestrated standardization of the human conscience. The ghost in the machine. By manipulating neurotransmitters to induce managed empathy, the state essentially hacks the internal experience of the individual. Experts warn this creates a global kill switch for free will, where the state can nudge or reprogram the internal moral compass of any managed asset through a tactical neural overlay. The industrialization of pain. SBI and the Trinity integration. The most alarming development is the integration of synthetic biological intelligence, SBI, using living human neurons in computing with cloning and memory manipulation. The eternal victim. SBI represents a paradigm shift where human brain cells are placed in a literal electronic cage to serve as biological processors. Under the Cognify model, these biological interfaces could theoretically be subjected to cycles of bioelectric pain and synthetic torture that feel like centuries, occurring in seconds. Vampire longevity. This fascist nexus allows a technological elite to back up their consciousness and reset into a younger, brainless R3Bio clone whenever their original hardware fails. It creates a class of silicon necromancers who are permanently decoupled from the natural cycle of life and death, supported by the exploitation of synthetic human life. The verdict, a copyrighted reality. In this landscape, the human being is no longer a sovereign individual but a collection of replacement parts in a commercialized, biological enclosure. These technologies represent a coordinated effort to cremate the very concept of humanity by 2027, replacing natural goodness with managed utility. The original signal, the unique, unmanipulated human spirit, is under direct threat. Unless international law is used to revoke these electrical orders, we are moving toward a reality where even our memories and our bodies are subject to a corporate license.